Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your email account in Mozilla Thunderbird. When you open up Thunderbird, you'll see this screen, and to start the process to add your email address to the account, you'll simply click on Create a New Account. In the new Thunderbird, you'll be presented with this screen. You'll just click on Skip this and use my existing email. You'll see you'll need to enter in your name, your email address, and the password. So we're just going to enter in the details that we've already created in cPanel. This I've done in one of my earlier videos that you can see on our YouTube channel. Once you've entered in the details, you can just click Continue. To speed up the process, you can just click on Manual Config, and then you'll be presented with the settings that you can put in here yourself. Now, there's two options for your incoming mail. You can select IMAP or POP3. IMAP, that is simply just connecting to the server and showing you the emails that are there currently, and POP3, it downloads a copy of those emails onto your computer, so you don't need to be online to view those emails at a later stage. Also, this does free up the space on the hosting package if you set it to not leave a copy on the server. That does help so that you don't need to constantly log into the server and clear out the space in your email account. Now, I'm going to select POP3 here, and then you simply set your incoming mail server to mail dot and then your domain address, which you see it's already entered in here. Now your outgoing SMTP, you can set it to the same as mail dot and then your domain, or if you rather prefer, which is a better option, is to set it as your internet service provider's mail server. So if you're using MTN, it'll be mail.mtn.co.za. Vodacom is smtp.vodamail.co.za. But for a full list of all the service providers and their mail servers, you'll find a link in the description below. For the port, for POP3, you have port 110, which we'll select, and then for the outgoing, we'll select port 587 or port 25. Now that's simply your choice, whichever one works on your service provider. On my service provider, port 587 is working. Now the SSL options, you set them both to none, and then the authentication, set normal password for the incoming, and if you're using the same settings for your outgoing mail server, you'll set it to normal password. If you don't use the same settings, if you are using your internet service provider's mail server, you will then select no authentication. So in my case, I'll be setting normal password. Once I've done that, I can just update the username, as the username is always the full email address. Once I've done that, I can just click Done. You'll see this warning pops up. You can simply just click I understand the risks and click Done. And once you've done that, it's going to check your password, and then your email address will be set up in Firefox, in Thunderbird, Mozilla Thunderbird. When you click on Get Mail, it'll start downloading it into the inbox over here.